Hi guys! Welcome to my cooking channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to cook Pininyahang Manok. Here's what we need for this recipe. You may pause the video to list down all the ingredients. Let's start cooking. Heat cooking oil in a large pan or pot. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onion. Sauté onion until it becomes translucent or semi-transparent. Add garlic. Sauté garlic until you can already smell its aroma. Add chicken. Make sure that the chicken is already washed and clean. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes. This will allow the chicken to release its flavor in chicken fat. After 3 minutes, add fish sauce. Ground black pepper. Pineapple tidbits, including the juice. And water. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes, add chicken cube, carrots, potatoes, and evaporated milk. Stir until milk is well blended. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add bell pepper. Cover and simmer again for another 3 minutes on low heat. After 3 minutes, your Pininyahang Manok is ready to be served. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Bye!